Good morning and welcome to my channel. Today's video is a recreation of another YouTuber's video. Her name is Nthabiseng petlane. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. She has amazing hair tutorials and I thought I should try one today. I will be working in sections using ISOPLUS gel to slick down my hair, so I'm starting from the bottom. So what I did for each section was section off a part, comb it with a wide tooth comb, and then put gel on it and then slick it down with a brush and then slick it down with another brush, a hair brush. And I kept making these little sections all the way going up, brushing, coming through, applying gel, brushing, coming through, applying gel. I then tie the hair together just to make sure it stays down as I go on and lay down the rest of the hair. Please ignore the hair running down my neck. My hair was wet. I was just from washing it. I tried putting away some baby hair so I can do my baby hair like she does with her comb, but this didn't turn out as great the first time. I'm now going to repeat the same process on the left as well, trying to create two bands. Then I began trying to make my baby hairs, which I was not sure what I was doing, but I kept going. I don't know why my hair is too thin. I didn't section out enough of it, or my comb isn't the right comb to use. I'm not sure, but it didn't turn out like hers. But I kept trying, and I think it sort of came to life on this other side. I was proud of myself. To lay down the hair, I wrapped around 3 scarves and then used this fluffy kinky hair, which was 65 kwacha and has 18 of these in the pack. And to turn them into Aphrodite hair, I just ripped them apart. And this was so easy to do because the hair was very soft. I went on and did that for the rest of the hair to have a full bunch. I then separated the hair into 2, having 8 pieces on each side, then tied them together on one end and separated them into 3 sections to begin my braid. So this part is what attracted me to this tutorial altogether. So I went out and got these loops She used bangles, but this is the closest I could find. And just when I figured out how to put them on the braid, I realized my loops were too small for the braids. So I called for help and used this shiny string. Just wrapping it around from the top all the way to the bottom, crossing it over. I then tie it, cut off the excess bits, and then attach it to my hair. And to do this, I just tie my natural hair with the rest of it and then begin to loop the hair around. But first you want to make sure it's thin enough, so you just kind of just twirl it a little bit to make sure it's thinner, and then loop it around, twirl again, loop it around until you're done. Obviously this wasn't recreated the same way she did it, but I still love the outcome. If you guys get a chance, please go ahead and watch her videos. I will link this one right below. Please go and check it out.